Sure. Here's a script you can use, --. Welcome to FK iPhone. Today, we are diving into one of the newest entries in the smartphone world, the Vivo V23 2025 edition. If you are thinking about upgrading your phone this year, you might want to hear everything about this device before making a decision. Starting with the design, the Vivo V23 2025 brings a refreshed and very premium look. It is slim, lightweight, and feels incredibly comfortable in the hand. The back panel features a stunning color-changing surface that reacts beautifully to different angles of light. This unique feature makes the phone stand out in a crowd without being over the top. The frame is crafted from aerospace-grade aluminum, giving it that extra durability while maintaining elegance. Vivo has really focused on making the phone look stylish but also practical for everyday use. On the front, you get a sleek edge-to-edge display with almost no bezels. It is a curved AMOLED panel offering vibrant colors, deep blacks, and an ultra-smooth experience. The front camera is neatly tucked away in a minimal punch-hole design, allowing for a more immersive viewing experience. Whether you are gaming, streaming, or just browsing, the visuals look stunning on this screen. Now moving to the features, the Vivo V23 2025 packs a lot of power under the hood. It runs on the latest Snapdragon chipset that handles multitasking, heavy gaming, and video editing with ease. Coupled with up to 16 GB of RAM, switching between apps feels seamless. Storage options go up to 512 GB, ensuring you have plenty of space for all your photos, videos, and files. Speaking of photos, the camera setup on this phone is something special. The rear camera module features a triple lens system with a massive main sensor that captures stunning detail even in low light. Night mode photography looks professional with little to no noise. The ultra-wide sensor is perfect for landscape shots while the telephoto lens ensures your zoomed-in photos stay crisp and clear. The front camera has also been upgraded significantly, delivering sharper selfies and better video calls, thanks to AI enhancements and new beauty modes. Battery life on the Vivo V23 2025 is impressive. It easily lasts a full day on a single charge even with heavy use. When you do need to recharge, the fast charging technology gets you back up to nearly full in about half an hour. Wireless charging and reverse wireless charging are also supported, making it super convenient to power up your earbuds or another phone on the go. Software-wise, Vivo has polished their interface to give users a cleaner, more fluid experience. The V23 runs the latest version of FuntOS OS based on Android, packed with new customization options, smarter AI tools, and enhanced privacy settings. Features like app cloning, multitasking split screens, and game boosting modes are all included to enhance the overall user experience. Connectivity is top-notch as well. The phone supports 5G, Wi-Fi 7, and Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring fast and stable connections wherever you are. Plus, the in-display fingerprint sensor is quick and reliable, adding a nice layer of security without sacrificing style. In conclusion, the Vivo V23 2025 is a strong contender in the upper mid-range smartphone market. It combines an eye-catching design with powerful performance, excellent cameras, and modern features that make it feel premium in every way. Whether you are a gamer, a photography lover, or someone who just wants a beautiful phone that works smoothly, the Vivo V23 is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome tech videos right here on FK iPhone. See you in the next one. Would you also like me to write a shorter version in case you want a quicker review for another video?